Good morning, fellow gardeners. This is Paul, and today I'm going to talk about variegated string of pearls, Senecio Rowleyanus Variegata. Some people call it Senecio Rowleyanus Variegata. It's also referred to as string of beads, string of peas, or most commonly string of pearls. It's native to South Africa and grows on rocky cover, kind of like rocky outcrops. That's how it's described. So it's a ground cover, which is very interesting. But most often it's grown kind of in hanging pots, as you can see here, as a trailing succulent. And it's really, really beautiful. My favorite thing about it is this foliage and the shape of it. It forms these nice long stems. And if you look up close, look at how beautiful these little leaves are. They're pea-like swirls of cream and green with this little translucent window. Do you see it? So such a very interesting succulent. Now they're expensive too. I got this one back in June and it was tiny for like $30. So it's been growing all season long right here, and now it's just doing great. So I can't wait to propagate more next spring. So in terms of care for sunlight, I'd give it not too much sunlight. You can see it's very filtered here, and it maybe gets a half hour of direct sunlight, maybe 2 hours. Other than that, it's filtered, and that seems to be just the really sweet spot for it. Now if you give it more sunlight, it will turn a bit more pinkish. Let's see if I could find some. But I saw some in here where some of the growth is more pink. Notice that not every single leaf is variegated either. So yeah, if in extreme cold or summer heat, the new growth will be a little bit pinkish. I don't see any of it right now. But we had a heat wave a few weeks ago, and it was definitely more pink. Now I live in zone 9B, and I keep it outdoors all winter long. It's hardy to 28 degrees, they say, but I'm sure it would burn anything below freezing. So if we get that cold, I'm gonna just put this in the garage overnight to protect it. You need well-draining cactus soil. As you can see, I have other succulents in here, and that's key. They do not like to keep their feet wet, so provide them plenty of aeration and drainage. You could use a palm and cactus mix, and they'll do fine. I fertilize them with earthworm castings. So there you go. One of my favorite succulents, definitely my favorite string of, and this is the string of pearls, variegated. Senecio Rowleyanus. So give us a like and a subscribe, and hopefully you'll be able to grow some of these beautiful, beautiful plants here, or this beautiful plant, I should say. All right, take care. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.